Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. It is another brand new day. We're here again with this beautiful 2001 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. In the last video, we didn't get a whole lot done, honestly. We got a little bit done, but we got it out, we rode it around, you know. We tried to get it to break loose and do some drifting, but that just ain't gonna happen on the asphalt. So we might take it out in the dirt somewhere and get some, you know, get a little fun out of it, but it just wasn't really designed to be doing donuts and drifting out on the asphalt. But what we're going to do today is going to continue working on this frame rail. In the last video, we put a little bit of edge primer on here. I've got some rust treatment products that we're going to put on there today, and then especially on these cross members that you can't see up under the truck when the bed's on, we're going to put a lot of paint on that, just kind of rust protect it off, you know, just to get it going again, because it's got another 20 years left in this thing, man. So we're going to get it all fixed up. So let's pull it in the shop and get to it. All right, we got this thing over in the wash bay. We're not gonna wash it again because we washed it to death, but I am gonna blow everything off. And look what we got. We got the crud cutter. This is the crud cutter. And what this is gonna do, I'm gonna brush this on all this rust. And this helps dissolve it and get it ready for us to put some paint on. And then I brought just some Rust-Oleum, you know, just some oil-based paint, just some Rust-Oleum. And I'm gonna put all this stuff on with the paintbrush. So the first thing I'm gonna do though, before I get started, I'm gonna take this air hose, I'm gonna blow everything off, maybe get the wire wheel back out if I see a place or two. You know, there's not nothing major. I mean, this thing's in really, really, really good shape. So we're just gonna make it to where it's good for another 20 years, and that'll be good enough. So let's get to it. So we are making really good progress here with this good old Rust-Oleum paint. Everything's going good. Everything's going good. I think we're going to get this thing done today, make it look pretty good. Check it out, the progress so far. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. This truck's going to be so happy. It's going to be so nice. We're going to hop back to it. Well, we made some pretty quick work of that, but I did make a little bit of mess here on the floor. Yeah, got a little bit of paint everywhere and a little bit of rust stuff, so I think I'll just set the hose up here real quick and wash this stuff all down, get it all cleaned back up, so tomorrow nobody don't have to deal with my mess. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna jump on that, clean this floor up a little bit. Then we'll talk about what we did to the truck and what we got planned next. Man, that's gonna be a good looking frame when we get done. I mean, we got a little bit of rust protection on there today. Put a little Rust-Oleum on it. I mean, we got it looking a lot better. You know, it had some surface rust on there, so we worked on that a little bit, just trying to protect it. You know, we put the crud cutter on there, we put the Rust-Oleum on there. It was a good day. It was a good day. We got a lot done today, and I'm so excited that we have got this, you know, this part done. We just still got to get it up on the lift and kind of paint the underneath, but it's a lot better. I mean, a lot better. We're gonna have to really get in the market and find us a bed. We got to get a bed for this thing. I've got to sit down and order some parts for it. I hadn't even done that yet, and we are getting close. So I'm gonna get new headlights. I'm gonna get a new grill. I'm gonna get a new rear bumper. I'm gonna get a new rear tailgate. We're gonna get us a lift kit. We're gonna try to find us some tires and wheels for this thing. We're gonna make it look really good, really, really good. We do appreciate each and every one of you for watching. Thanks again. Thanks again for subscribing. If you hadn't subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.